You are welcome to Bless Biafra Network, a Bano Wenge Network, where you can get authentic news and the great news that you are looking for. Do not think we are joking here. Come to Bless Biafra Network right now. You will see what is happening. This is what we are talking about. It's one of the best. I'm talking about the best. What are we going to show you right now? Something new. Check it out. Video. Igbo land starts from Benue State. NNAMDI Kanu shows off Igbo land in Benue State. Now, before I go on with the news in detail, I will not stay to say press the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we have news or video, and also the rest subscribe button is very important. Now, in detail, Mazi NNAMDI Kanu, leader of indigenous people of Biafra, has stated that Igbo land starts from Benue, not Ebonyi. Kanu adding that we are not going to abandon those communities as NNAMDI did, as he shows off Igbo land in Benue State. In the video, the community identified as Ishem village, Oju local government, and some villagers is seen standing by as one of them addressed the people in Igbo language, says this is where Igbo land starts in Benue State. NNAMDI Kanu, who shared the video, wrote in return for a plot of land each near Ebute Meta, Lagos in the late 70s. The then NNAMDI leadership and a few greedy politicians agreed to cede core Igbo territory in Ebonyi State to Benue Plateau, as it was then called. Today, Igbo blood and heritage is part of Benue State, which in the untutored evil mind of /Nigeria make those Igbo communities part of Fulani control northern Nigeria. Can you imagine Igbo people as part of northern Nigeria? How sad. How very, very sad indeed. The same NNAMDI today, along with some mindless beast in governors, large across East, have again in our time decided to give away the entire East to Mieti Allah in return for the promise of an Igbo vice president in 2023. The same sell-out mentality embedded in NNAMDI leadership from inception is what is now destroying the Igbo race. For those who may not know, NNAMDI is an instrument of the devil, which the Janjaweed Caliphate have already cleverly exploited in their age-long quest to destroy the children of light, the Chineke from within. In a few days' time, another and probably the very worst Fulani stooge of them all, Ambassador Obiozo, personally handpicked by Ibrahim Gambari, will be installed as the next NNAMDI PG. To make this possible and to achieve total control of Igbo land, Hope Uzodinma was first imposed on Imo people by the late Habakari to facilitate the smooth coronation of Ambassador Obiozo in 2021. Now you know why they call Obiozo a consensus candidate, as in Mieti Allah, Fulani's consensus candidate for Ndibo. Obiozo is going to be 100 times worse than Nana Wood. Wood's father was an enemy of Biafra who worked as an informant for the British government of the day, so treachery runs in his blood. But in the case of Ambassador Obiozo, he owes all he is to the Fulani's patronage. They made him who he is, and he is coming to serve their interests. The more those band of criminals continue to exist, the more the likelihood that Fulani terror caliphate will succeed in taking over the land of the ancient. We are doomed. Contrary to age-long British-inspired /Zo propaganda, Igbo land starts from Benue, not Ebonyi. We are not going to abandon those communities as NNAMDI did. Those people are our flesh and blood, and living in the same Igbo land our ancestors lived in before NNAMDI gave it away to Fulani Caliphate for a piece of land in Lagos, I urge you to please help save them. Now, great Biafras of time, well, thank you so much for being part of this news. We will say that our brothers will be with us. We will take our land. It doesn't matter what the enemies think. That land belongs to us, and we're going to take it and our brothers together. Great viewers, share this news and stay blessed as you do. Cheers.
Mazi Ohamadike dịka isi afọ ndị awọ ụmụnne anyị ndị si na mpaghara a na-akpọ Ọgbala Izi, ndị egwu ndị egwu isi eke village Oju local government. So ị ka ga-afụ ya mobeta. So ihe a gosiri na ọwụ obodo a bụ ka a na-ekwu okwu ya, a na-anụ aha ha na Radio Biafra worldwide. So they are who the community youths and the future generation and the children. So they are the people. That are helping you. Same time, they are the people I say they are fully in support of what you are doing. So they are the people that are also asking for the water to be sink for them, the water to be sink for them in this community. So Mazi Ohamadike, these are your people. They are fully your people. They are helping you. They say Ohamadike, 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 Ogewaka. The youth are helping you. The youth of Isieke, the youth of Izi, Ọgbala Izi are helping you, Mazi Ohamadike. They also, the youth worldwide, the people of Ọgbala Izi, they are helping you. They are your fellow brothers that say, go ahead, they are solidly behind you on what you are doing. They are looking for this new baby, the Biafra land, the Biafra to come. They are saying they are happy. They are saying, thank you so much for your struggle, also for your... Yeah, say thank you so much. They say thank you. Thank you, Hamadike. God bless you. Thank you. I now submit my case now. Thank you, Mazi Ohamadike. I remain your faithfully brother Mazi Wabezono, the Benue State family writer. The Benue State family writer. I remain your faithful, humble servant. And also I say thank you, Mazi Ohamadike. I submit the case now. So these are the people that I'm giving you a report about them. Send me to come and take a report about them and send it to you. So thank you, Mazi Ohamadike. Thank you, Mazi. And I say, my fellow brothers, thank you so much. I'm so much happy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mazi. And I'm happy. As you welcome me to this place, welcome Mazi. Welcome you. Thank you so much. You people are going to see yourself in Biafra TV and Biafra Radio. This is Ohamadike message. So what are you saying to Ohamadike? Bosa. Well, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.